What is going on, bruh? Welcome back to another banger. First things first, let me get out of here. Right now we're in a little rush, bro. I'm trying to get to the gym. It's already late, so I'm not trying to get there too late at night. Your boy gotta sleep, edit, you know, do everything. Got stuff to do. But today we're gonna be checking out a new gym. Well, I go to Planet Fitness and they just opened a new location, so we're gonna go check that out. And let's go see if it's cool or not, bruh. Of course, we gotta make it a little fun. It's hard to see any cups right now at this time, but we're gonna be smashing a little bit through the streets, you feel me? So yeah, you guys sit back, pull out some snacks, and enjoy the video, bruh. Hopefully they do let me into the gym. I have the cheaper membership option, so I don't know if I could be gym hopping, or if you know what I mean, going from one location to a different one. But I guess we'll find out. We're gonna let the car warm up a little bit before we do start having some fun. I'll drop the transmission, I'll put it into sport, and then yeah, the rest after that will be history, bruh. Today should be pretty fun at the gym. I love working out biceps, and today we're doing back and biceps. I know some of you guys have asked me what my split is like or what workouts I do. Somebody asked me the other day specifically for arms what workouts they could do. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. Drop a comment or something, and then I'll do a little more gym content. I do want to get you guys included more into the videos and stuff. So I'll probably do videos where you guys control my day. That should be coming pretty soon. Make sure you guys go follow my Instagram, because I will be posting everything on my story, so that you guys could either vote on it or give me suggestions and stuff, you know. But yeah, enough of the yap. Let's drive this CTS V how you're supposed to. Pretty sure I've done a nighttime POV with you guys before, right? I don't know if you guys could see the CTS V low-key has ambient lighting. I don't know if the camera's catching that, but there's like a stripe that kind of goes around the whole car. But enough of that. Let's put the windows down too. Forgot to turn off traction control, bro. It did just kind of rain, so we got to be a little careful with that. I think I need some new rear tires as well, so hopefully we don't lose control. still need to drink my pre-workout too, bruh. Green light. I don't know why it smells like doo-doo over here, bro. I don't know if maybe I stepped on something before I got in the car, or maybe the streets smell like butt. I have no idea. Oh damn. I could turn here to go to the gym, but let's make this video at least a minute longer. I feel like I didn't get any good pulls yet. Oh my gosh. Bruh, this thing is a beast. If you guys are thinking about getting one, you guys are not gonna regret it. Let me check this out. Ooh. Damn! I really hope there's no freaking cops here, bruh. I feel like one's tailgating me right now. But yeah, man, short little POV video. Uh-oh. No, I think that's a Tesla. Short little POV video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want me to do multiple uploads a week. I could for sure try to see myself doing at least 2 POV vids per week. It's gonna be a challenge, but I'll do anything for you guys, bro. Make sure you guys like that. Well, what am I saying, bro? Make sure you guys smash that like button if you guys enjoyed the video. I would appreciate it very much. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't joined the family yet, bruh. We got big things coming. Big things. And just hit that notification button, hit that little bell button so you guys could get notified. YouTube will let you guys know whenever I upload, or if I post that I won't be able to upload this week. And yeah, I love you guys. Catch you guys next time, bro. We're almost at 2,000 freaking subs. That's crazy. I appreciate you guys so much, bro. I love you. Let's go get a pump. Careful, Mustang. Mach-E. Let's see where this gym is at. If the gym looks like butt, I'm going to my regular one, bruh. Okay, I think that's it right there. Let's see what it looks like. Let me get off right here though. Give you guys final 360 of the car. Damn, this pre-workout is gas, bruh. If anybody wants to sponsor me, I'm not gonna say the brand of it yet, but if anybody wants to sponsor me, tap in. But look at this beauty of a car, bruh. But yeah, I mean, that was basically it, bruh. Let's get the freak out of here.